Hello students, I am Ravindra Bidri, teacher from the Chandrakant Patil Public School. This is my 7th video session for the 7th and 8th class. In this session, I am going to explain about the division of integers. Division of integers. We know that division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Consider the following examples. First one, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. That can be written as 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5 and 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. We observe that for each of the multiplication statement of whole numbers, there are two division statements. Observe some more examples. 2 into minus 6 is equal to minus 12. That can be written as minus 12 divided by minus 6 equal to 2, or minus 12 divided by 2 is equal to minus 6. One more example you take. Minus 4 into 5 is equal to minus 20. That can be written as minus 20 divided by 5 is equal to minus 4. Minus 20 divided by minus 4 is equal to 5 we will get. From the examples, we observe that minus 12 divided by 2 is equal to minus 6 and minus 20 divided by 5 is equal to minus 4. We observe that when we divide a negative integer by a positive integer, we divide them as the whole numbers, then we will put a minus sign before the quotient. Observe the following examples. 72 divided by minus 8 is equal to minus 9. Second one, 50 divided by minus 10 is equal to minus 5. So we can say that when we divide a positive integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as whole numbers and then we put a minus sign before the quotient. In general, for any two positive integers a and b, a divided by minus b is equal to minus a divided by b, where b is not equal to 0. Now I am going to explain the properties of division of integers. Properties of division of integers. First one, closure property. Consider the examples. First one, minus a divided by minus 4 is equal to 2. That is, minus 8 divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 8 by minus 4 is equal to 2. Result is an integer. Second one, minus 4 divided by minus 8 is equal to minus 4 by minus 8. It is equal to 1 by 2. The result is not an integer. We observe that the integers are not closed under division. Next I will go to commutative property of division of integers. Consider the following examples. Minus 8 divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 8 by minus 4 is equal to 2 I get. Or minus 4 divided by minus 8 equal to minus 4 by minus 8, it is equal to 1 by 2, which is not equal to first one. So minus 8 divided by minus 4 is not equal to minus 4 divided by minus 8. One more example you take. Minus 35 divided by minus 7 is equal to minus 35 by minus 7 is equal to 5 I get. Minus 7 divided by minus 35 is equal to minus 7 by minus 35 is equal to, this time I got 7 by 35, which is not similar to first one. By the above examples, we can observe that the division is not commutative for integers. Next, I will go to the division by 0. Consider the following examples. First one, 0 divided by a is equal to 0. Second one, a divided by 0 is meaningless, that is infinity. We observe that any integer divided by 0 is meaningless and 0 divided by an integer other than 0 is equal to 0. That is, for any integer a divided by 0 is not defined, but 0 divided by a is equal to 0, for a is not equal to 0. Now, next I will go to division by 1. Observe the following examples. First one, minus 8 divided by 1 is equal to minus 8. Second one, 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. This shows that the negative integer or positive integer divided by 1 give same integer. So, in general, for any integers a divided by 1 is equal to a. Consider the following examples. Minus 8 divided by minus 1 is equal to plus 8. B. 11 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 11. We can say that if any integer divided by minus 1, it does not give the same integer. Next, I will go to associative property of integers. Consider the following examples. In the first case, I will take minus 16 by 4, then by divided by minus 2. I will get minus 16 by 4 is equal to minus 4, divided by 2 is equal to plus 2 I got in this case. In the second case, minus 16 I will take outside, divided by bracket 4 divided by minus 2. Minus 16 divided by 4 by minus 2 is equal to minus 2 I got. Last I got the answer plus 8, which is not similar to first case. So we can conclude that bracket minus 16 by 4 bracket close divided by minus 2 is not equal to minus 16 divided by bracket of 4 divided by minus 2. Hence we can say that division is not associative for integers. Students, this completes the session. I have given you the worksheet number 7 regarding this. Please solve it in the home. Thank you, students.